pulled the motor out today. Got that all done, but I thought I was gonna use this motor, and this goddamn thing runs good. It's crazy it runs so good. But check this out. There's a big old crack in the block. So when I dumped it, them son of a bitch had water up in here, man. So yeah, that's the end of this. But anyway, everything is out. I gotta remove this cross member here. This one here. I gotta get this out to get the cross member in for the 87s from the, like the 80s, any 80s two-wheel drive and up. They work. Because a lot of them just came the four-wheel drive, you know, on the K5, but that's it. I'm gonna rip this chair now and clean all this BS up, get it all cleaned up, and painted and all that stuff, detail all that stuff up here before I get that 87 cross member in. So there you have it, man. Another day, 23rd.